Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borges with the Mike Borges channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Samsung dryers, and in the event that you have that pipe or plumbing pipe icon blinking or illuminated, we're going to show you how to fix it. Let's go take a look.
All right, DIYers, we're in the laundry room right now, and on the left-hand side, that is our washing machine. On the right side is our dryer. And as the dryer is running, the pipe icon with that little line through it, check that out right there. It is blinking red, and that means we have an issue with the exhaust pipe or ducting. So the first thing you want to do is power off the system, come to the back, and verify that your ducting or exhaust hose is still connected to your dryer. Go ahead and reach down below, and it might be a little warm, so be careful, and that is good. So what we will do now is head outside and inspect the exhaust port that's on the side of our house, and literally on the opposite side of this wall. Outside now, there's the window to the laundry room. And right here is the dryer exhaust vent. And first glance, yes, there is some lint buildup. However, it doesn't look that bad. So here's what I'm thinking. It has been raining pretty hard the last couple days, and it was also windy. So when you add wind and rain together, the wind can make the rainfall begin blowing sideways, and chances are this lint got wet. It is a little damp, and as you know, lint has a little bit of airflow through it. However, if the lint absorbs the water, it basically clumps it up, and there is no airflow through the lint. So I want to take this off. That's not clogged really at all. So what I will do is clean this out. Come up in here, also look down inside your vent, and where it goes through the wall and turns and heads through the exterior brick portion, it looks pretty clean. So again, I'm going to clean this up, just carefully pull this stuff out, and I'm going to throw it in the trash as opposed to throw it on the rocks. Couple things to take away. In the event that your icon is stationary, basically just turning on and staying red, that is your system telling you that you have at least a 60% clogged vent. However, in the event that it begins blinking like ours, that is an indication that you have an 80% or more clog. And looking at that, that is not 80% clogged. So we may actually have something inside the vent pipe. So we'll do a little research and let you know what we find. Back inside, make sure you unplug your dryer for safety purposes. And I've come back, and we had a Phillips screw to loosen up the clamp that connects and secures the dryer venting to the exhaust portion of the inner pipe of the dryer. And I've got my little flashlight. I'll do my best to try to give you a view in there. And as you can see, it is pretty clean and clear. So we've also inspected inside there. There's nothing inside there. And a cool tool you can buy, we bought this many years ago. This is specifically designed for cleaning vent ducting. And you get a little screwdriver that it connects to. You can screw it in, and you can actually twist your screwdriver, and it will twist this bristled or brushed head. And as it makes its way through the vent ducting or pipe, it does a really good job at cleaning it. The next thing I want to do is open up the dryer, come inside here, pull that out, and inspect down inside here. You have an internal fan, and make sure you have nothing in here that is preventing the airflow that is required for the lint screen to properly do its job. Any small clothing items that can slip past that during your drying process or cycle can definitely trigger that light to be illuminated, because again, down in that little hole is an internal fan, and what we did vacuum that out. It was pretty dirty, so hopefully that will help. And the last thing is verify that your lint screen is clean. We've got a little bit of lint in there that is no more than any other cycle that goes through the dryer. So we'll go ahead and clean that and run another load. Dryer vent is resecured. We've also plugged the machine back in, and from here we are going to run a normal load, and we're going to do it the exact same way as the previous load. And after pressing play and starting the cycle, give it a little bit of time and see if it comes back on. In the event that it doesn't come back on within the first 2 minutes, well, that may be normal. It may come on after about 5 to 10 minutes, so keep an eye on it. Alright, we're back in the laundry room. We're down to 8 minutes to go, and the light has not came back on or started blinking, and that is a good thing. So hopefully this helps DIYers. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. So far so good.